In this video, let me show you how to create a Coinbase account. If this is your first time trying to create an account of Coinbase, let me exactly show you on how it is done. First of all, make sure to download the Coinbase application onto your device from the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device. Once the application has been downloaded, you'd be able to see a similar interface. Now, in order to create an account, either use your email address or you can also tap on the Google account so that you can straight away select your Google account instead of having to type in your email address. Type in your email address or select your Google account. In the next step, you need to select your phone number. So select your country code and then type in your phone number. Once you type in your phone number, in the next step, you need to provide in some few details such as your legal first name, your last name, and also must create a password. Make sure you check your email address so that you can verify your email as well. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to create an account of Coinbase. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.